talk to you guys about the fact that there's a thing called on the internet. It's called, wait, what?
MukBang.
Oh, MukBang, and you can find it. MukBang. That's what it's called. It's called MukBang. Now, it's not. Sounds like something you find on the dark web. You know, like that you have to like use your hide my browser shit on there, like go incognito in your search engine, because you know you're gonna be scared. People are gonna look up MukBang and see like, what the hell is this guy watching?